Hi guys, it's Dr. Goggin. I'm going to show you really quickly how to get around in your Lifewave InTouch app. So you see the InTouch app is the third row from the top. I'm going to tap on that and open it up, okay? The first thing you see is this is the home screen, and the way you can navigate around the different screens is by down at the bottom you see the home, the picture of the house on the left. The next picture is a picture of like a play button, like you're watching movies. That's where you find the movies. The next one is people, so that's contacts. The next one is calendar, where you can set reminders. And the last one is notifications, so that your app is going to notify you if you set a reminder to chat with somebody. That it'll notify you if you want, or if someone's watching a video, it'll notify you, and you can set this up. So first thing, the other place that you want to note is up at the very top. You have the three little bars. That's the menu. So top left, I'm going to tap those three bars at the menu next to where it says Lifewave. Tapping it, and here you have the navigation menu. This is why this is extremely powerful, because you can do everything from your phone, okay? The Welcome tab, if we tap on the Welcome tab, that's going to take you to a screen where it shows you how to use the app, okay? Welcome! This gives you incredible abilities to follow up and contact people. And in order to get to the next page, you just can tap next down here. I'm tapping next, and it gives you just a basic tutorial. The key button to explore is the share button. That's the one down at the bottom. You see the second from the left that looks like movies playing, the movie played. There you're going to find video sequences designed to be sent in a certain order that draw the potential customer or distributor towards you. There are also other things that you can access: PDFs, images, other information assets that are well organized. Okay, so we're going to next. This is wonderful. So this is to make sharing easy, right? And this is where you will find all the information. So I'm going to let you guys go through, download the InTouch app. I'm tapping on next. It shows you how you can keep your prospects organized, and you can share directly to people. It tells you when people are really interested. So there's a lot of aspects here that I'm going to let you guys, in order to understand this, it's best if you go and download the app and then you read these. And also practice. You practice with your upline. Okay, so the welcome is just a few short things that tell you how to use the app. Okay, so a lot is here, so you want to get used to it. Try it out. You can't break it, and that's it. That's they talk about setting a goal, and now done. So that's the welcome. I'm going to go back to the up top left corner where the menu is. Okay, and now let's look at training. I love this aspect, right? Member training, the Getting Started series. Guys, this is right here. And especially if you're sort of new to network marketing, going through this, it makes it so you have a ready-made training program for anybody you bring in. You see, I'm grabbing these and with my finger, and I'm pulling them to the right. These are all great tips, right? Figure out why you're doing this, right? That keeps you in the business. Business basics, right? Meet your mentor. It's important that you know your upline. Set your first goals. Make a list, aka pick your prospects. Spread the word. Leveraging a get-together. We call those Zooms these days. Actually, we love live get-togethers also. Following up, that shows you care. And help with closing someone, getting to yes, creating a great testimony, that's crafting your story, and the habits of success. So these are wonderful short training videos. It's a great place to start. Below you see there's a step-by-step guide of how to use the app training. There's the video doing kind of what I'm doing right now. Down here, this is important, the business training, how to get your commissions. And this one's important, right? How to get commissions, the basics for succeeding. And then you get to the Product Connect webinars. And this is where you're updating them with current webinars so that you can understand how the products work, right? And, I think that most of us are really focusing on the X39, but it's great to watch the different videos about the various products and learn about them, and that'll come with time. Okay, so now that's the training section. I'm going to go back to the top left, tap those 3 buttons. Okay, next you have the Success Library. When we go to the Success Library, notice that this is online, so you can actually go to this online, lifewavesuccesslibrary.com, and this is a resource just to help you find the resources, right? So enter Success Library. I'm tapping on that now. And if you, once again, let's look at the menu. Top right, the 3 bars, that's the menu. So you can pick your language, you can go to the media library or go to events. So anytime you open up a menu, in order to close the menu, you tap outside of it or tap on it again. So when I scroll down, you're going to see that this is a lot of PDFs if you want to learn about retail profits, so you understand how much do I make when I have a retail customer buy X39. The preferred customer program, you want to get to know that. That's how your customers can get samples and free stuff and best price. There's the free product program. You want to learn about that. And see, these are all PDFs. Understanding the bonuses, Lifewave compensation plan. So these are places that you can go to get PDFs that will help you understand the business. The enrollment kits explained, distributor rank qualifications, product training guide, how to get paid. Once again, back office basics, building. So I'm going to just tap on back office basics right there, so you can get a sense of what this tells you. Everything. How to sign into your back office for the first time. I mean, that's awesome, right? And then it's all written out for you. All right. So this is pretty cool. And as you go through, you can find anything in here. How you change things on the website. So this is really amazing. Amazing. I'm going to close that down. Okay, go back to Lifewave Success Library. And in order to go back to the InTouch, you see at the very top left, I can tap on that and it'll take me all the way back to InTouch. Okay, so once again, I'm going to go up to the top 3 lines right up there. We were in the Success Library exploring that. Now, the next one is how you get to your office, right? So office, this is going to take you to your back office. The next one, add distributor, will take you to the page where you choose a different enrollment kit. Add retail customer, it will take you to the shopping page. So these are wonderful ways. Here, I'm going to just tap on the office, right? And when you go to your office for the first time, if you've never done it before, you're going to have to put your social security number in, and you just sign in just like you would, and you'll end up in your back office. So, but if I want to go back to InTouch, I'm going to tap up at the way top left, back to InTouch. Now I'm going to once more want to hit those top 3 left, because I want to show you where it'll take you. If you click on Add Distributor, I'm clicking on Add Distributor. You see, you go to the Become a Brand Partner page, and that's your page. And if you scroll down, you have to click on Join Us. You tap on Join Us, and once you tap on Join Us, you go to the enrollment kit selection. And I'm going to give you a tip. In order to really see this page, you need to turn your phone sideways if you're just working from a phone, and it will be helpful for you to kind of know if you're trying to work just from a phone. Let's see. Yeah, so when I turn my phone sideways, I'm getting whole kit and caboodle there, and I can scroll down, right? So you get enrollment kit selection, and you can see it all. Okay, so I'm going to flip my phone the other way. There we go. Going back to InTouch. Now, if you're going to add a customer, same thing. I'm going up to the top three, those little lines. I'm going to tap on Add Retail Customer, second from the bottom. And that's going to take me to my site once again. And you create account. Yeah, you got to scroll down. Create account for the person, just like you would online. So this is a way that you can actually do everything from your phone. Okay, so now let's just talk about the things at the bottom. Let's say I want to send somebody a video. So I'm going to tap on the second icon from the bottom. That's the little send icon. And now you see all these neat videos that you can send people. Videos, there's also some PDFs too. I love these testimonials, A, B, and C. I think they're great. The ballerina testimonial is great. Lifewave meets Iron Man is great. What is phototherapy? I like that because it's very short. And so let's say I want to send somebody what is phototherapy. I'm going to tap on what is phototherapy. Now, you can watch it so you know what you're sending people, right? An ancient form of energy. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is tap on share. And now what I can do is pick an existing prospect, somebody who's already in, or a device contact. So I'm going to pick an existing prospect, and I'm going to search for me, Linda, search. So I'm going to grab me, and I'm going to, you see, there are many different ways I can send it. It's so cool, right? So if I hit text, I could send it by Facebook Messenger. If I hit text, what it's going to do is going to take me directly to, I'll show you, continue. Now I go to my actual text. Hey Linda, see how X39 works using light. At this point, you can edit the text, right? So I can say, I can like erase that, and I can say, I like to use the microphone. If you guys haven't used a microphone on your phone to record your text, it's much faster. So I'm going to tap down here on the microphone, bottom right, and I'm going to say, hey, check this out, exclamation point. So that may or may not be what I say, but that's a fast way to type. So the microphone is very important, okay? And so now when I send it, what will happen, I'm gonna go and tap on that. So I'm actually starting to watch it, okay? You'll see in just a second that it's going to pop up, famous last words. And this is what it looks like for them. So they see this and they have this button, visit Lifewave website. That'll take them to your Lifewave website. So there's the video, I'm watching it, okay? So now, in my email, if I've set up the notifications, I'm going to find that I got an email saying, hey, Linda Goggin is watching your video, which is kind of neat. You can set those up so they're personalized. So I'm back in here. You see down there at the bottom right, I have a notification. The little bell. Look, Linda Goggin. I watched less than 10%. So that's kind of neat that you get that. Okay, so in the next one is contacts. If you want to add, you hit the plus bottom right, manual entry, all right? And so I'm just going to put in Linda. That's me once again, just so you can see what it does. Now, I'll put my mobile number in. Okay, and you can put in an address if you want. You don't have to put in a mobile number or email address. Sometimes you won't, like if you're dealing with Messenger. And so now it takes to my actual contact, and you can send media. You can make notes about the person. You can see history. And you can set a reminder to follow up with them. So this is super handy. It's something that in order to use, you have to kind of train yourself to remember to put it in. Okay, that's my experience with it. Many people don't know the power of this app, and so they don't use it. So I'm going to go back now down the bottom right, the calendar. I'm going to tap on the calendar there. And so here, add event. Let's say that on Wednesday, I'm going to add an event. I tap on add event, and then I can fill in all this information and click save. I'm not going to do that right now. So I think that gives you a good idea. I'm going to go back to home of the power of the app, and I hope that this has been helpful for you all. All right, use that app, you guys. Have an awesome, awesome day.